we go. All right, we got a dog. Hey, dog, you're in the way. Okay, we're
all these documents, but
Fred, we're on camera. Shut up.
I was told I
Okay, we have a starter motor up under here now. Oh, we're talking about debates. So it appears the starter motor might fit in this Ford.
It doesn't matter, huh?
But we don't know for sure until we put bolts in it. And then the biggest thing is that we don't know if this gear here will line up with the ring gear in there. We won't know that until we hit the go button. But it appears that the cheap-ass starter might actually fit the cheap-ass motor. And Fred's very happy over there that we have a Ford to work on, unlike that stupid Chevy motor right there. And of course, the dog doesn't care.
Down on the road dead.
Down on the road dead.
It's almost Harley parts sitting here in the way. All right, so that might work, maybe. We'll figure that out.
Why are you wasting money on Ford parts?
The intake thing, if it decent, it'll fit in.
Okay, then we got a Chevy motor over here. This is definitely. What do you think of this Fred motor?
I've never said this is my motor, man. This came with the crap.
Throw that on the floor, junk.
Came with the.
Don't put it on your toe though; it might hurt.
Came with the POS.
So, El Camino. Okay, this appears to be one of these custom pro, whatever the hell that comp. Chingus Wingus.
Oh man, what are you doing? Like a little bit of a high rise there, or what?
You haven't seen the other part yet.
Okay, this is supposed to fit.
I think we can get something.
9.8 deck height, you're good to go on that.
Does it fit?
That's in there. Yeah.
Where's the holes at? I think it sits right there.
This is good here.
I think you can move backwards.
It's fuel injection, Fred. You got fuel injector?
Fuel injector.
Fuel injector. Now we already found out that the manifold bolts are wrong. Here's my light. They're off by half a hole. So the first thing I do in this Pro Comp, is that Pro Comp Electrics. It's a good thing they don't make manifolds, because if they did, they would make them wrong. So these holes need to be welded up and moved over half a hole.
Really, you bought a manifold that has to be welded up and reworked?
But it's polished.
But you bought a manifold.
Show me the other part.
I'm not even a
box with a dog right there. Oh, we had this other small piece right here. There.
Yeah.
Body.
Throttle body.
There we got throttle body.
Don't fit though.
It don't fit. It's off by a little bit right here in the hole pattern.
All the linkages in the way.
The linkage is in the way.
By wire or the cable?
It's fly ass wrong.
If you leave it wide open, it'll kind of go on there all right.
Well, Fred wants me to put it on this way.
No.
No.
Hey, it fits now. You're right, Fred. It does go on that way. There. That works good that way. It clears and everything.
It was made out of billet too, wasn't it?
But it appears that...
A great deal though.
See, when you line up the manifold over
about
here,
2 of them.
The holes over here are off by half a hole.
Yeah, 2 we don't need instead of 1 we don't need, right?
So...
It's pretty.
It looks nice, it just doesn't fit. And I got provisions for some kind of a fuel injection rail system here that we don't know what we're doing yet.
The bolt holes line up on the manifold though.
It appears the manifold might actually fit the deck. So, yeah, I think it actually fits a 396.
A little head gasket, and I mean a little intake manifold gasket needs kind of got a gap.
Well, there's a gasket sitting right there.
Is that why there's a gap on it?
Yeah, there's a gasket sitting there. Are we going to have enough of hood clearance on the El Camino?
Don't look like it's way high.
I think everything is pretty tight underneath there.
Is a stock one like air clearance is way down, barely above the belt?
It's about that high right there. Whatever height that is, that's how high it is.
You're going to have to put a very small...
All right, put that up. Otherwise, we've got to use something more like this. This doesn't fit either. There. Close. I told you the bolts were close.
Use the metering blocks too.
Metering blocks?
Here's on there.
This is a fuel economy.
We really don't know what the hell we're doing.
It's a fuel economy version. Yeah, look at the bolt holes still don't line up.
Yeah, again, demonstrating we don't know what the hell we're doing.
That's why I was going to put this carburetor on the Ford motor back here. Because this came out of the Ford junk pile, not the Chevy junk pile.
Dumple pumper.
It's a double fucking pumper, yes it is.
Oh, he threw out the F-bomb.
It's got a choke on it too that almost works. Okay. Anyway, this might work, might not work. The next problem is, will it fit? Hi, dog.
It ain't gonna work.
Will it fit these over here? Those look bigger. What do you think? Do you think they're bigger than these ones or smaller than these ones?
You don't want the wall, that's for sure.
Well,
So it doesn't matter.
Oh, there's a light on.
These are bigger. You'll see a couple of them in there.
It lines up. What kind of a mouth you can't even see?
You should be able to see these two right here. Can you see down in there?
No.
I see that one over there.
It's not tall enough.
I don't know if I have it on the right place either exactly.
No, you don't. You're way the hell off.
You're supposed to help me.
You're in the right direction.
Right direction? No, he might be backwards.
Back asswards.
I don't know.
Looking around.
Have you got your measuring tape?
I got a measuring tape right here. Yeah, there's how you do it.
The heads are bigger than
It appears it got to go this far.
Turn it around.
It appears that these are slightly bigger than those, but not by much. They're pretty close.
You think the heads are bigger or the manifold's bigger? Manifold maybe a little bit wider.
The ports on the head are taller than the manifold.
Yeah. What about width?
Width, I think the head's bigger. It's
Could there
close.
be a reason why?
No, I think the manifold's bigger. It's close. It might actually fit. I bet you it runs better than that other one over there, though.
If it works.
If it works. All right, well, there's another part. So the 396 might have a little more higher RPM potential than stock, assuming we don't put it together as a stock motor. Yet to be decided.
All right.
Now, what's that one weigh?
A lot.
A lot. This weighs a lot. Okay, that's good. Let go. It'll go down. It'll find this one way down. It's cast iron. You can't hurt it. There you go. Perfect.
Perfect.
Yes. Genuine GM. Broke his back. All right. That's it for now. Enough playing around parts. Let's get back to work. We got motors to put together, important motors.